Hello everyone, it's me Ikrakjan and welcome back to Flag Fighters. So today I'll be customizing this Mr. Bearguy 3 and I have a girlfriend and she really likes purple, so I think I customized it to purple, but right now I painted it. I didn't paint it, I just put on the paint of Gundam Dynamas. And look, it looks just like a superhero. The face looks like you don't have to wear a mask. So I don't know why. But still, Mr. Bear Guy is literal. The cutest gunpla in my opinion. I don't know why, but I really think that. But first, I think I'll equip an AI pilot. So, alright. Let's equip this guy. This guy is Mexican, so it'll help. So, painting. Okay, so this guy is really good. Trust me. Mr. Bear Guy 3 is not that strong. I tested it, but after I paint it, I think I'll do a little upgrading, complete a few missions with this guy, so it can gain some levels from just level 2 to, I think I'll upgrade it to level 10. Yeah, that should do it, the trick. Yeah, level 10 should be strong enough, because I don't want this gunpla to be weak, since I will show it to my girlfriend after a few days. Um, so hopefully this gunpla can become strong, but why in the world is it taking so much to try? Yes. Okay, first I'll do a custom one, a custom form. Okay, so a bit of that. So I'll go here. This guy, perfect. So this is what the bear guy originally looked like. I think I'll keep the mouth same. Mouth and ears, no changes. So I was thinking, I don't have that special of an idea for this golden guy. So my girlfriend really likes purple. She's a big fan of that. So I'll customize it to a nice shade of purple. Uh, look, yes, perfect. Okay, so I really hope this works. I really hope it makes it look a bit better. No, for this I think I'll go with this shade. Yes, this shade is a bit better. For go this and for here this. There, take this also. So I put a little difference and look, it already looks very cool. So for the legs, here take a little bit of that. This also, this, take this purple and okay, so I'll just put in this one. It already looks nice, but I have to, let's see. The backpack is really red. So I think I'll change this ribbon to nice shade of blue. It already look very nice, so see. Let me see how this gunpla is looking. Man, I forgot of the shield and the small handgun I put it. Because bear guys don't have any equipment except for the small hand missiles and handguns, but those are just EX skills in this game, so you can't use them like every second, so I attached some equipment. So it looks nice. Okay, so I think I'll attach. What's the beam saber? Purple, purple. This is also a nice shade of purple. So the golden color is nice, but we want it to be purple, so get rid of that gold, and here upper. No, here I'll just put in this little lighter shade. Okay, so little here, and how about this? Let's see. Okay, so now it is looking really cute, but we need a little butterfly. Still adjustments. How about here? Perfect. Wait, one second. What's the color of that? The nose. Okay. So I think I'll put in some black eyes. Yes. Because I put in the black eyes because it will pop better and it will be easy to see. See how about this? Yes. No, I think I'll put in this yellow. That was just a little deeper. No, this is perfect. Just so like look, it already looks a bit better. Like it looks a bit better, but okay. So we want this connector in the back to good. So I think I'll add gold here because there should be some resemblance to it. Was the bearguy 3. So let's see now. The starting will look very nice. Trust me. And I don't think I made a mistake by making the eyes black. Now they really pop. Yeah, so now I think I'll just do some farming with it. I meant not literally farming, I meant farm some other gunplas. Yes, it took a little while, but I did it. So now it's starting to really pop. Fly changes, yes, of course. Let me just upgrade the AI. I don't have much capital, so I can only upgrade it to level 47. Just and like literally, I don't know why, but I really think Mr. Bearguy Gunplas are the best, one of the cutest creations Bandai could have ever created. Really. But still, I have a question for you guys. If you think Mr. Bearguy is cuter than Mr. Bearguy, or if you think an couple is more cuter, like the Momo couple which appeared in the series, but this series has a special kind of number called Sana couple, which I am not a big fan of. So I think this guy should have a little fight before he fought his own brother. This one, yeah. This is Sorty. Release Gunplas. I don't want to take anyone because even though if I took someone, it would be really good. But if I fought this alone, I don't know why, but this bearguy, it looks literally the cutest. The purple has a nice shade, so take this continuous blast. Let's give this guy a few missiles. Can't handle the missiles. It's just like they used to say. Now let's immobilize this guy with some cotton. Oh, cotton literally killed him. But still, this gunplay is, I think I would say, pretty good. Not the best, not the worst. For compared to event gunplas, this one is really good. As much as I know, and I would like to say that because I really think Mr. Bearguys are one of the cutest gunplas ever made. If I'm being honest, I think it's literally the most cutest. I have enough missiles to kill everyone. Shit. Take this. And now armor. Game over. And I don't know why, but whatever I do, I don't think I can make Mr. Bear Guy look intimidating. I don't know how, but I'm pretty sure that's impossible to make a bear guy look in bear guy looking scary is very cute. I don't know why, but I think if I use it tries his best and tries to make him look black, he'll just make him look cuter. Like literally, it's like a tiger trying to be a kitten, which can never be possible. Take this. And a little bit of that. Like literal, this bear guy is very good. I would say not bad. Okay. Level 4, nice. But still, this bear guy, I really wanted to build it for some time, and I was just waiting when will this event come where this gunpla will be shown, and I was lucky enough that it's today. And plus, this gunpla is really fun to play with because it's like a big bear just made of plastic. I don't know why, but this gunpla is literally one of the cutest gunplas I've ever met in my life. I actually haven't met it. I saw. Okay. So let's see how this gunpla does against a boss. Well, the beam saber needs to work. Yeah, the beam saber needs a lot of work. Let's take that. Yeah, so I'll need to upgrade the beam saber especially. The beam saber is the only weakness I can say for now at least. So I don't need any upgrades for now for this bear guy. The only upgrades I need are for the beam sabers. So I really hope I get some nippers. Wait, I literally don't know what to say. Like literally, this gunpla was not even a gunpla. It just had a frame. It didn't equip not a single part. I'm so disappointed right now. Like not at the bear guy because it performed well, but literally, like why in the system gave me a gunpla that doesn't even have any parts equipped? It just disappointed me, literally. So I think I'll play it again because I wanted to grow a little bit this bear guy. Okay, nice. Fight. Are molded cannons. Okay, nice. Okay, so now for the big boss. Hopefully someone better. Wait, that's the salad can from Gundam X. So immobilized now. Take some cotton. Well, I didn't know cotton was so powerful. Okay, so I think I did pretty well. See what other rewards I obtained. Like literally, I didn't get any rewards. Wow. So let's see if I have some nippers or not. I'm pretty sure. Let me check. What are the nippers I have? So I'm pretty sure I have some nippers, but I'm not sure what are those nippers. But let's see what parts I can upgrade right now. Okay, let's see. Nippers I have head, hand, shield. Head, hand, and shield. Head, hand, and shield. Okay. Upgrade. Wow. I don't have capital. I'm literally just poor now. Okay. Oh, head. I can upgrade to level 9. Head. I think I really would have been able to upgrade the hands, like literally, but Lack of nippers, as I said, like it would have really helped. Then let's see how much I would have been able to upgrade the shield. The shield should have been a pretty good one. So I got disappointed with my amount of money left on. I don't know why, but I just used it on this guy. But still, so this bear guy's strongest EX skill would be this one, the cotton attack. Spells the cotton from in your body from your mouth, enlarging hit enemies for a set period of time. So it's a very strong EX skill, but it takes 90 seconds to load. But first time after you start the match, it will just take 23 seconds. So this is a pretty good one. So after for event gunpla, I think I'll give this Mr. Bear guy a 3.5 out of 5 stars.